Can your Blink cameras operate as usual given that the free trial of your Blink basic subscription is ending soon? I will detail all the features that will work like a charm without a subscription and the ones that won't in this video. So, without further ado, welcome to Blink Blink. Let's get started. Blink cameras can perform most of the basic functions without the need for a premium subscription. For most folks, this should suffice, but Blink does indulge the new users with a free trial of the Blink basic subscription, so some users might get attached to a feature that is reserved for those who pay a monthly premium. As I mentioned before, without a plan, Blink cameras can perform the most basic of functions as expected from a smart security camera. You will still have access to motion alerts via the Blink app on your phone whenever your camera detects movement when it's armed. Like any smart camera, you'll also be able to view the live feed of your camera from your phone. That is the extent of all that's available without a plan, but that's plenty enough for most folks out there. Now, there are two tiers of Blink subscription plans that require a premium out of you: the Blink Basic plan and the Blink Plus plan. I do have plans to make a video detailing all the plans available for your Blink cameras, so stay tuned for that by subscribing to our channel. But long story short, you do miss out on a lot of smart cameras that the Blink cameras often boast about. The main feature that you miss out on is the Blink Cloud Storage, which allows you to back up your clips online and access them via the Blink app on your phone. But you can circumvent that by using the local storage feature on your sync module, which allows you to back up your clips to a flash drive. But you will still lose out on companion features for the Blink Cloud Storage like rapid video access, video sharing, and photo access. And as I mentioned before, you will be able to view your live feed from the Blink app, but you will still need a basic or plus subscription to record that live footage. You'll also lose access to features such as person detection, which is a USP for cameras such as the Blink Outdoor 4. Now, I have noticed a few issues with my Blink system that's on the free plan. If you have multiple Blink cameras, organizing your local clip backups can be a massive chore, considering the clips from all your cameras are stored directly to your thumb drive without any option for filtering. I've also noticed a rise in frequency of sync errors popping up on the Blink app whenever the camera is trying to perform a task, which can test your patience. But in the end, if you're content with how your Blink system works without an active subscription, then that's all there is to it. No matter how hard Blink or Amazon tries to make you pay for the subscription plans. And with that, I believe that I've rattled enough on whether your Blink system will work without you paying a monthly fee to Blink or Amazon. If you found this video useful, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more smart home content.